Alright, we're gonna start the truck cold. As you can see there, the gauge is at cold all the way down. Start up good and it's idling. Alright, get outside. I had the hood unlatched already, so we're gonna pop the hood. Running good and smooth. Good. Check it from the other side, I guess. There's a little rust coming through the paint. It's not chipping at all. Nice boxes on here. Back of the truck. Tires are all in good shape. Some good wear on them. Some little bit of rust starting to show through there. Just need the wire brushed off and a coat of paint on it. This down here, I guess, is the worst rust on it. There's a little bit of peeling paint there.